Hello and welcome. I will be answering WAEC 2020 Economics Objective Past Question 18. Increasing returns to scale suggests that A firm can make profits by reducing output. B, a firm can make more profits by increasing output. C, as the producer reduces the quantity of raw materials used, the marginal product will double. D, as the producer increases the quantity of raw materials used, the marginal product will fall. So the concept we're looking at here is increasing returns to scale. And increasing returns to scale occurs when the output of a particular firm or business increases by a larger proportion than increase in inputs during the production process. Now this means that the output increases at a much higher rate than all the factors of production involved, all the inputs involved. So the output increases by a larger proportion than increase in inputs during the process of production. Now, we're asked what increasing returns to scale suggests. Now, increasing returns to scale suggests that a firm or this business can make more profit by increasing output. So, based on the fact that the output increases by a larger proportion than the inputs during production, it means that the firm can make more profits than estimated or more profits than usual by simply increasing the output. And the output, of course, can be increased by increasing the inputs or the factors of production. So it suggests that a firm can make more profits by increasing outputs, and that is option B. So it is the correct answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.